Hello, everybody. It's Carol here from Aquahaven747.com. I'm with my friend Deb here, and we are going to pack her bag for our trip. Hello. Do you want to come with us on this trip? So here we have Bella who wants to join us.
My beautiful little kitty.
Yes. So anyway, now what Deb is going to take is her carry-on suitcase, and her knapsack there is going to be her personal bag. And she's already kind of sorted out the clothes that she wants to take. Do you want to try and explain what you've got here?
Sure.
Like you explained to me?
Sure. I have one pair of pajamas with me, and they are t-shirt type. So that if it's a little cooler, I have those. I've rolled them up, and I'm including them in my storage bag here with my 3 compression stockings. I do have varicose veins, and I do need to use those when I'm flying. I also have with me another bag that is going to be used for my medication. Right now it contains 2 small dossets. I do have a lot of tablets that I have to take, so this will be mainly for my toiletries and for my medication. Then I have another bag, packing cube, which has underwear, socks, 1 bathing suit top, bathing suit bottom, another bathing suit, and an extra bottom. And for a couple different outfits, what I thought I would do is bring my white yoga pants and a yoga shirt. They will keep you warm if there's a cool breeze, but they're also white, so it's very nice and flattering to wear out. I have a it's a biking t-shirt, but I really like it, and it's
And don't have to worry about wrinkles with that stuff.
Wrinkles, you can just whatever with this one. Also with the shorts too, they are a black biking short. They have pockets, which are great, so that you can carry your cell phone, money, whatever it is you want. And what I've paired it with was this, as well as with a t-shirt. So the t-shirt's got black on it. It has a really nice kind of Christmassy thing because we're going away in December here. I thought it'd be nice to have a little Christmas theme going on with some Griswolds.
Nice.
I also have a pair of, or a skort. It's a navy blue skort. And with that, I'm also going to wear another biking, hiking, swimming try thing just because I really enjoy them to wear them. They dry quick if I perspire or if it's really hot out. I have a neutral beige tank top with a pair of shorts, or I can pair it with the navy blue skort. I can also pair it with the black culottes that I have, or clam diggers, whatever you call them. Those are a little dressy as well, so and it doesn't matter about wrinkles with them, because when you put them on, they actually look like a long skirt or a skirt. So
very nice.
Those are going to be a dressy outfit with this top. I also have several other t-shirts just in case I need an extra t-shirt. I have a pair of shorts and a t-shirt, and another pair of shorts and a t-shirt. Those are the things that I generally would wear.
So do you know how many bottoms you're taking?
I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bottoms.
That's pretty good.
6 bottoms
for 10 days.
10 days.
And that's the 6 bottoms, that's including the ones you're wearing on the plane, which we will look at in a minute.
What I have here for you right now is the outfit that I'm going to wear when we go. And I have...
On the airplane.
On the airplane. Sorry, yes, when we leave to go on the airplane. because it will be cold when we leave and cold when we get back, I have decided to wear long pants. These are very forgiving type of pant. They are a jogging type of travel pant. I also have my
Compression
stockings and my running shoes, which I will be bringing with me. I have a sports bra, which will also substitute as a bathing suit bra or as a cooler nightshirt if I needed something to wear that was cooler. I have a t-shirt, short sleeve t-shirt to wear over top and layer. I'm also going to wear my scarf and my paper hat, which will help keep the sun off of me. This is a really nice wrap. It's a little bit on the bigger side, so it will go around your arms as well as around your neck. And I will layer that with a hoodie, and also I will be bringing a feather down jacket that folds up into the size of my fist.
So Deb is also taking this little tank top and she has it rolled up and secured with a hair elastic.
And as you can see, it's quite a large tank top, which can also double for me as a dress. Literally, I can pull it down as a dress, and it can also double as a pajama top if I need to, or a beach cover-up.
Okay, change of plans here. Now Deborah's had second thoughts about a few things here. She's decided to only take one pair of shorts, so she's not taking these ones. Whoop. And she is going to take the one pair of shorts there with the t-shirt. You got both t-shirts rolled up in that way?
No, I have one t-shirt rolled up in that, but I have this one to roll up in.
And that'll go with that one. Mm-hmm. Okay, because Deborah likes to pack according to outfits. So she's got a tops and bottoms. Now, do you want to explain what we're going to do here? Like you've decided.
Yes, I decided when looking at everything again that these two shirts are exactly the same color. So I would like to maybe have a bit of a dressier shirt with me, top with me. To be able to do that, I'm going to decide which one I'm not going to take. So this is the one I've decided not to take. This one I am taking.
And you want to explain the reason for that?
Sure. This one here actually zips all the way down where the other one didn't. So I was hoping that I could use this as several pieces. I also have a sports bra
over here somewhere. Yeah.
That is going to double as my bathing suit top with the black bottoms. And I thought that these two outfits would go very nice together. This could be a cover up. This could be the shirt underneath. You could wear this totally done up or totally left undone. So that's why I made the decision to take one shirt away and one pair of shorts away.
Awesome. So we're trying to be very versatile here.
Absolutely. So what I decided to do was exchange a pair of shorts, denim shorts, for a nicer top, and I also exchanged the one of the hot pink tops, and I've decided to include this top, which is dressy. It can be worn with my culottes because it has black in it. It could also be worn with my blue skirts because there is
a little bit of blue, yep.
And the hot pink, or whatever color you want to call it, coral, I guess, matches the coral here. Even though you're going to see maybe a little bit of the shoulder here, that's okay because it's a beautiful color to match with this. I also have another outfit here that I thought I could wear for a warm day or evening. These pants are very, very lightweight. In fact, you can see the color of my hand underneath, so they are very lightweight. The shirt I have paired with it is a 3/4 sleeve though, because I thought there might be a cooler evening that I might not like a white shirt with.
And Deb gets cold very much.
I do. I really do get cold. I have a disorder called Raynaud's disease, so I have to be very careful. But having said that, I do like to have a variety of colors. So with my black stuff, I wanted to include the white. I know white is not a good color to take away on vacation because it can get dirty and soiled. However, we have these handy dandy laundry detergent Eco Strips that I purchased, and you use 1 strip per load. So if I wanted to, I could wash these out in the bathroom. In the tub, I could fill up the whole tub if I wanted to, throw one of the laundry strips in with some nice warm water and wash all of my clothes if I wanted to. This does 1 strip per load, and again, there's 6 loads. So I think that's a very awesome thing to have to take along with you as well.
Okay, so we've got everything packed in here. Deb just likes to roll things, and she rolls by outfit. And some things can be mixed and matched. She's put in her flip-flops here for this summer. And on this side, she's put her packing cube with her underwear and socks and all that kind of stuff. And what was in this one again?
Pajamas.
Pajamas in there. And as you can tell, she's got lots of extra room. But believe me, there is a reason for that, because my friend here likes to shop and she likes to bring stuff home. So we need to have room to bring things home. And,
Lots of room.
And of course, we put the little laundry strips in this little pocket there. So that's it for the suitcase she's going to take, which is a carry-on suitcase. And then we'll go over what she's going to put in her personal bag. So here are all the things Deb would like to take in her personal bag. Well, I shouldn't say all the things. She's not packing her chargers just yet. But she's got a little journal here. She's going to take a book to read. She's got a little baggie with some Enviro cloth and a window cloth and an extra mask if we ever need to use those. She's going to be filling up this bag with her medications. This, of course, has her passport and identification. This is going to be a little purse if she wants to, just if we want to go to the bar one night and don't want to have to, lug our knapsacks with us, So, yeah, she'll just take that with her. And it's got either a little wristlet strap or a crossbody strap, and she also has a little Norwex optic cloth on there to clean her glasses. So was there anything else that you wanted to say about this?
I just think that you have inspired me so much to pack less. I have been known to pay $120 extra.
Oh, really?
For luggage. Wow. When I went for a 7-day vacation to Cuba.
Oh.
And I will never ever do that again, but I really do thank you for showing me that I could pack 10 days worth of stuff into a carry-on.
And you could even do it all in a knapsack if you were not planning on shopping.
That's right. I could have, because this knapsack, although it looks very small, it has the option, and this is strictly a personal thing. I love Ten Tree because of their quality of stuff and their versatility. So this knapsack has 1, 2 pockets. It has a zippered pocket here. It also has a zippered pocket here. Oh, a Norwex.
Another
cloth.
Norwex cloth. Yeah.
This knapsack also has the ability to enter from the back part of it. If you need something really quick, you can just pull this down and access it that way. It does also have a spot for a tablet or a laptop if you wanted to bring one. I'm not choosing to bring one this time around, but I could take a friend of mine's with me. It also will notch up on one of these on each side, so that it is the smaller knapsack. If I wanted to, I could access my knapsack through the back without opening the front to show you the stuff that I have packed in here, which is my journal, And
All
I
the stuff
have,
we just showed you.
yes, all the stuff we just showed. So everything is going to be in here. And as you can see, I still have lots of room for other stuff. The other thing with having a knapsack and being familiar with a company and what they offer is with this knapsack, it, like Carol said, it could have actually been my carry-on because it extends this far. So, and as you can see, it does do quite a big space. The reason I chose not to take this as my main carry-on is because I just didn't want to lug everything on my back, because I do have a bad back at the moment. So,
And you do want to do some shopping.
and I do want to do some shopping.
And what else did you discover is on your knapsack?
I discovered when I was playing around with the back of it, I've had this knapsack for about 4 years, and I didn't even realize that there's an actual whistle on the back with a strap that you can use to strap around the front of you. So if you ever needed any help, you blow your whistle.
Thanks, that's great. For our final tip, I just wanted to say, if you are traveling with somebody, you can share your luggage, so you don't all have to take the same shampoo and conditioner or sunscreen. One of you can take it if your friend does not have as much space in her baggage. So yeah, you can split your stuff up. So if one person needs a little bit more room to take things, then your friend can take it for you.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.